Hi, this is Joe again from www.rdmfilament.com. In a previous posting, we actually showed the difference between ABS and Nylon 12 and its flexibility. Well, today what I'd like to show you is an answer to one of the questions that people also ask us is, well, how strong is it? And today I'll be using a Nylon 12 filament. It's 1.75 millimeter in diameter, and I'm going to be using two different lengths of material. In the first length of material, I actually have it 3 strands of the Nylon 12. In the second one, I'm going to use 4 strands of Nylon 12. And I'd like to do a strength test by adding some weight onto them, and also check how much elongation each of these sets of filament will have. Now, the 3 strands, that's 1.75 millimeter, and for those techies out there, that's 0.206 inches, which is less than 1/4 of an inch thick. And then 4 strands would be 0.275 inches, so it'll be a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. Now, this is going to be a crude test, but I think it'll really show just how good our Nylon 12 is under certain conditions. So let's take a look. Right now you can see what I have is the 3 strand set up on a ladder, okay, and that's got my heavy toolbox on it. And I'll move in a little bit closer. This way we can take a look and see just about how much weight is up there. And I'm not sure if you can see that. So we're at about 25.3 pounds right now. What I'd like to do now is, well, it's a little bit unorthodox, but I think you'll get the idea. I'm going to take this, I'm actually going to step in it, and let's see how much stress we can get out of this. So right now I'm at about 66 pounds. I'm up to almost, it's staying at about 65 because it's starting to stretch. So now I'm down to 58. Okay. If you take a look at the elongation on this stuff, it's great. Again, this is this 3 strand filament. So right now I still have not reached the floor yet. Still pulling on it. And I'm bottomed out right now on the floor. I cannot stretch it anymore. And that went up to about 70 pounds. When we first started out, this piece of 3 strands of the Nylon 12 filament was approximately 12 to 13 inches. And now that we've elongated it, what I want to show you is that right now we're at, between the knots, we're at 42 inches. So I did bottom out. This could have stretched more, but that's almost 3.5 times its original length. So it gives you a good idea of the elongation capabilities of it. So I've showed you the setup with the 3 strand filament, and what I'd like to do now is show you what the 4 strand is capable of handling. The material, again, at 4 strands is 0.275, which is a little bit over 1/4 of an inch. And let's try it out and see what we get this time. Right now we're up at 75, 80, 85. Slipping off my foot. Okay. So 85, 83, 87. Alright, So we got approximately almost 15 pounds more with an extra strand, and I'm actually bottomed out again on the floor, so I can't stretch it any longer. As you can see, I think we got some great test results. The 3-strand maxed out at 65 pounds, and the 4-strand maxed out at 89 pounds, over 21% increase in strength by just adding the 1 strand.